Hello, this is wmpyr. For today's lesson, we are going to be focusing on the Earth 6. The Earth 6 comes from the Heaven 6, so you kind of need to know the Heaven 6 before attempting to learn the Earth 6. So this is the Heaven 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Earth 6 is exactly the same, but basically you're hitting down here. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, your sticks are not pointed downwards. With the Heaven 6, your sticks are pointed upwards the whole time, basically. Alright, so one way to get to the Earth 6 is to basically start changing your angle to where you're getting lower and lower and lower. Okay, so you're starting off with a normal Heaven 6. Alright, so as you're doing it, start to go lower, alright, and then start to go lower, okay, and then start to go even lower. And then before you know it, you're doing Earth 6. Now, for some people, it may not be so easy, okay? My student was having some trouble with it, so this is one of the reasons why I'm making this video, okay? Another way to tackle that, okay, is we're actually going to try it like this. So, we're going to start off in the Heaven 6, this starting position like this, and you're going to go 1 like this, 2, and then 3. All right. The important thing here, 4, 5, and 6, is that you're targeting low. Okay, this may look like a normal Heaven 6, but my focus is I'm going to hit down here. So I'm going 1, I hit down there, continue the motion. 2, I'm hitting down here and continue the motion. And 3, I'm aiming once again low. Okay, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And right now, I don't care about form. All right, let's just work on you getting the arm movements down. We'll work on form next. All right, form is important, but for right now, let's just get the arm movements down. So swing your arm all the way, swing it all the way, and then bring it like this. All right, if you fully make this motion, and go like this, it's hard to mess up. All right, it's hard to mess up. When you're leaving your arms out like this, then you start to get confused. Which arm is supposed to go where? Okay, so go ahead like this and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now the next thing, once you do that, is now we want to make it a little bit more better form, all right? And in order to do that, instead of the swings that we're doing, we're actually going to go 1 and bring it here. If you notice the difference, a swing is a lot more circular, okay? But instead of a swing like this, you're actually going to go bam, hit there, and park. You see that? Now it's like a very pointed V shape, okay? It's very pointed. 1 and park, 2 and park, 3 and park. You see, you're doing the exact same motion. You're hitting the same areas. Your arm is going to the same place where it's supposed to go. It's just now it's a lot sharper. Instead of going like this, and like this, what you're doing is 1, 2, and 3. A lot more robotic looking. Okay, same with the other side, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The important part here, you don't know it yet, but what you're gonna be doing, the next level, is your arms are gonna be simultaneously moving together. Right now, what we're doing, just for simplicity's sake, is we're going 1 arm at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, but once you get better, it's going to go 1, and then as this park, 2 comes out. All right, now as number 2 parks, number 3 comes out. Okay, so as number 4 goes, okay, boom, like this, simultaneous, both arms moving simultaneously. All right, now this makes it harder, and this is where you want to get to, but the important part is this right here. When you're switching your sticks right there, okay, so 1, 2, and going from 2 to 3 right here. This motion right here is where a lot of people have trouble, I've noticed, is this scissoring motion right here, okay? You don't want to get your sticks caught, so you have to make sure that there's enough room that they can pass by and come here, okay? And then 4, 5, and right here, between 5, going from 5 to 6, this motion right here, 5 to 6, this is important, all right? So we've kind of gone to the next level already. So the first step, review real quick, is to just swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Swing with an emphasis on hitting a target that's low, that's down here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The next one is to make the movement sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then the next one is to simultaneously, as this goes and parks, this one strikes. The next one that's already going. And as this one is now, the one that just struck, is now going to park, then this one strikes. Now as this one is going to park, this one goes. As this one is going to park, this one goes. Okay, as this one is going to park, this one goes. You see that? So that is getting more and more progressive, all right? So it just takes practice. Be patient with it, and if you get confused, just go back a step, all right? Thank you for watching, and take care, folks.